Alright, this is a tutorial for a force move that I used in my last trick, which would have been the double lift tutorial. It's how to get 2 cards up to the top. If you want to see that video, it'll be right here on the screen, about right there. So go click that to see it. I will be performing it again here, but with no other added on. And this will just be the tutorial, so if you're interested, keep watching. The tutorial for it's a force card move to get 2 cards looking as one to the top of the deck. It's very well known, used in the double lift. To get a double lift or something going, it can be used in multiple ways. Alright, so the first thing you need is going to be a standard deck of cards, and this is how it's going to go. I'm not going to, you can look and see it in my other video, but what I'm going to do is you just riffle down the side of the deck until you come to a place where the spectator says stop. So say stop here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to hold this right here with your finger. Alright, if I can just get to zoom in a little bit for you right there on my fingers. Alright, so once it zooms in there, you should be able to see that there's 1 card here and 1 here. Now I'm going to do it without putting my fingers in front. You riffle off 2 cards from the packet, and you let go, and you take them out and bump them through as one, so it would be the 9 of clubs, but in reality there's a king and a 9 there. So once you have it here, you can take it off, square it up, and then put it on the top, thinking the spectator thinking it's 1 card, but it's 2. This leading into some double lift where put that down, and the card's still on top. If you want to see a better version of it, it's on the video. But so you just do that, and I'm going to run to it one more time. You riffle down the side of the packet till they say stop. Lift the finger up. Flip off 2 cards. Now what covers it, so they don't see this, is when you're doing it, you place your hands over it. So it looks like this. So when you're actually performing it in front of a live audience, do that, flick it out like this. It's very clean, very effective, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I like reading your comments in below. Again, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll be doing card deck giveaways. So, thank you all for watching, and have a great day.